Now this video covers the arpeggio, the triad for G sharp minor. G sharp minor has 5 sharps. You might also call it an A flat minor, which has 7 flats. But for the 5 sharps are fewer to deal with than 7, so we'll just go with 5 sharps here. So it's here. So the notes for it are here, here, and here. So we got the G sharp, the B, and the D sharp, is what I'm saying here. And the fingering, well, the thumb is going to play the white key. So the other, you can figure out the others. That's what it's going to be. Except we're going to start on G sharp. Index finger, 4th finger. And again, this isn't a beginner's try as far as I'm concerned. You need to be at least intermediate level and probably advanced to try this out. But I'll pretend you're intermediate level, so we'll go there. And we're going to do the tremolo exercise first. 1 octave and then 2 octaves. Accent, it's the same as all the other videos. Let's start down here, it's fine. And we're starting on these notes. Remember, these are the notes in it. Thumb, 4th finger on the octaves at 2 notes per beat. Now, so forth. It's a bit of a pain, but it really will help you develop the muscle memory for these stretches where the fingers got to go. Then you can go ahead and do the actual arpeggio, 1, 2, 3, and 4 octaves, and you can start down here because this is like an octave and a half below middle C. Start down here. 1 octave, 2 octaves, 3 octaves, 4 octaves. You get the pattern. And then parallel and contrary motion also. The whole thing for it. Then do the inversions. You knew I was going to say that. So we're starting out here. So the first inversion is the black key. You can't start with the little finger now, since that's because that's a good turnaround finger. So it's here. The whole bit, 1, 2, 3, and 4 octaves, contrary, parallel motion. Then second version is here. 4th finger now here. So forth, the contrary and parallel motion, the whole 9 yards on this one. And again, keep the metronome set slow, around 50. Don't be in a hurry to speed this up. That ruins the whole effect of the exercise. We're working on muscle memory, and we want to go slow and drill that into the fingers and then the mind of what this feels like.